Okay, this is the Hoover lightweight spin scrub steam vacuum.
And the best thing about this steam vacuum is that it's lightweight. Like it says, it weighs less than 19 pounds.
Also, it has heated technology, so it heats up the water while you're steaming.
And it helps the carpet or whatever that you're trying to clean, it dries faster. And the best thing about Hoover is that they use a 2-tank system. So your dirty water and your clean water is not in the same tank, but it's separate. So that makes it convenient. And there's the spin scrub. That's seen in many Hoover models.
Alright, let's see what's in the box. Usually in stores you'll get this around $200.
Yeah, we got this one from Best Buy for $199. And you can choose a warranty. That's like $20 for a year.
So in the box you get the cleaning solution.
16 ounces, I believe.
You get
the Power Paw
power paw
with spin scrub.
with the spin scrub.